So you can see now. See all of them outside there. They did not allow us to enter. So we've showed them all our test results of COVID-19. Today being 19/4/2020, we left the quarantine center where we are, and now we are already in our garden. And we've showed them all our papers for the COVID-19. All of us is negative, and now we're in our garden to enter. They could not allow us to enter, say we cannot enter. You can see the discrimination that is going on after we are being forced for COVID-19 quarantine, and now we are still asked not to enter our garden, even after we've showed them all our documents. Now this is happening in Jishanjo and Hiji Panda. This is happening in Jishanjo and Hiji Panda. Today is 19/4/2020. They called the security for us. They called the security for us not to enter. The security has come right now. They said we cannot enter. You understand now? They called the security for us. They said we cannot enter. Now you can see. They called the security for us. Now they say we cannot enter. You can see now what is happening. Even after we've finished our quarantine, and we have given all our documents, and they say we cannot enter. You can see now they called the police for us. Even after we've finished our quarantine and they've given us all the whole document for our quarantine, they called the police for us. You can see right now. So now you can see they called the police for us. So now they are calling other teams to come. You can see. You can see I've showed him all my documents. Now it wants to hit me the distance. Take. Possible. Take. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You can see now. You can see now. Sit down. You can see now. You can see now. Sit up.